Good morning, everyone. Looks like the SPY is going to gap down this morning. It's down about 1% already. It looks to continue that weakness into the open. So it looks like we should have a gap down day. We'll have to wait and see if the bulls use this opportunity to buy the dip again. Market is getting a bit overextended, so we may actually see a pullback like we did over here. A nice low volume pullback. Our first support is the 1320, the 20-day moving average, so we could pull back there. And a nice, it helps set up the charts nicely. So definitely on watch for that. I definitely wouldn't look to start shorting until we break that 20-day moving average. Not looking to get defensive here. I'm just going to look to keep a bunch of longs on my watch list. Look for some bounce plays, so when the market bounces, I can get into those. IPSU on watch for red to green. Had earnings yesterday. Strong move. Finished at the highs. Look for a weakness in the morning and then a takeout of those highs. ARAY, same thing, red to green. I'm not sure if this had earnings or not, but it had a huge strong move out of this flag over here, so definitely keep it on watch. GNOM, still flagging here. Look for a takeout of that 365 level. MKTG, nice little range it's got forming here. Bounce off the 20-day moving average on good volume. Let's see if we can continue that. RLD, nice flag is starting to form here. Let's see if we can take out these highs for a nice run higher. ZLC, this is a nice support buy. Talked about it when it was down here. Talked about it when it was over here coming to the 20-day moving average. It still looks good to get out of this range. Look for a nice move to the 50-day moving average. TGB, just look for a takeout of that 200-day moving average. Had a nice 3-day pullback after this strong run up. Got some good volume coming in, so it could take out those levels. ANW flag here. Just be careful because that 200-day moving average is right above, so that's going to be your first target. But it does have a nice flag, so you can squeeze out a couple pennies on that one. CHK. And I'm just watching this one for a 50-day moving average break. This is not a very pretty chart, but it's what we got these days, so I'm going to keep it on watch. SBLK. Shippers were running pretty hard into the close yesterday. This one is not running for whatever reason. So just keep on watch, see if we can break this flag. Maybe all the other shippers will take off again. Just kind of like the solars have been doing. Just look through those charts and see which ones look the best for the setups. MFN, the flag here at the highs. Pretty easy on that one. WRES, another flag on highs. CLDX, again, same thing, flag on the highs. NRG, flag here down at the bottom, just take out that 20-day moving average. We could see a run to the 50-day moving average. It's a utility company, it's a pretty big company. Wouldn't expect anything major, but we could see a nice little grind higher on that one. RIGL is starting to pull back here after this big run up. It could pull back all the way to the 20-day moving average, which would be my first buy point. Or it could break out just intraday. Had a nice resistance at 960. I would buy it over like 973. Just because I want to see this thing bounce. But the thing is, ready for a bounce. It's starting to get back into the oversold. Starting to get low volume bounce, or low volume pullback, I mean. So definitely keep that on watch for a bounce. ELX looking to take out these 52-week highs. Some weakness yesterday, but it's still consolidating. And HNR, just a low volume pullback to this 20-day moving average. We're going to see if we can gain some strength and push through that 50-day moving average. Again, not the cleanest chart, but we'll keep it on watch. Good luck, everyone. Happy Friday to you. We'll be back this weekend for another watch list on Sunday night.